Want to go for long-term investment? Here are the top 5 cryptocurrencies you can buy and hold for 2022. One cannot deny the fact that the cryptocurrency market is one of the most volatile yet fast-moving markets. The year 2021 has been one of a kind for cryptocurrencies for the sole reason that the cryptocurrency market witnessed a roller coaster ride. Some cryptocurrencies made unfathomable gains, whereas some busted massively. Taking such volatility into account, what 2022 has in store for these digital currencies is something that all the investors are looking forward to. On that note, have a look at the top 5 best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. Number 1. Bitcoin, the king of all cryptocurrencies, ruling the entire crypto market. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrencies created in 2009 by an anonymous group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Like most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, which is a network of thousands of computers that verifies transaction in real time without interference from middlemen. It is the first choice of all crypto investors, and that makes it one of the best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum blockchain is an open-source public blockchain, and it has enabled the end user to run a custom code with its smart contract feature. Ethereum blockchain has its cryptocurrency called Ether. Ether is the fuel of the network that uses it in the form of payment or execution fees of any transaction. The blockchain intentionally uses cryptocurrencies to avoid wasteful code and remain chain healthy. Number 3. Litcoin. The third coin on the list is almost identical to Bitcoin, but for some minor changes. It's an open source and peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. Also, it can be used as a script-based consensus network that makes it different from Bitcoin's mechanism. It is one of the best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. Number 4. Cardano. Cardano is touted as the environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies as it aims to avoid the energy-intensive parts of the mining process seen with Bitcoin. It is the first large cryptocurrency that is based on the proof-of-stake model. This model allows owners to stake coins and create their own validator nodes. Number 5. Solana. Developed to help power decentralized finance uses, decentralized apps, and smart contracts, Solana runs on a unique hybrid proof-of-stake and proof-of-history mechanism that help it process transactions quickly and securely. Solana's native token powers the platform. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you.